This is an integration demo of the DTC SOL8 SDR. For this demo, we've meshed two radios inside a building with GPS in the windows, and we have one donor radio connected to SOOTHSAYER, which is running off a battery in a box here on a Jetson. The client is ATAK, and what we're going to do to onboard this client without a plugin is use a QR code. So we open up the camera, we go and find our QR code, and there's our QR code, and then this will download an ATAK data package which contains our KML layers. We have a layer for the links and a layer for the coverage. We import those network layers and then they're added to ATAK. We can find them under network resources. Let's download the coverage. We get a heat map, and let's download the links. And we get some links. These are bi-directional links, so we're modeling the links in both directions using data straight from the radio. So in this case I can see the RSSI, the SNR and the local noise floor, which is great for us for modeling, because then we can do accurate modeling using live data straight from the DTC spectrum analyzer.